I visited the largest office building in the world, which is bigger than the Pentagon. It's the Surat Diamond Bourse. And I'll tell you exactly what is happening. So far, 90% of the world's diamonds used to be cut and polished in Surat. However, for trade, they would go to the Bharat Diamond Bourse in Mumbai. Now, traders from Surat are actually trying to build a parallel powerhouse in Surat itself for international trade. So much that just yesterday, the airport here has been declared an international airport, and it's announced that there will be direct flights to both Dubai as well as Hong Kong. So you see what's really happening, which is why if today you want to start a business, Surat is one of the perfect cities. It's among the top 10 richest cities of India, which means access to capital is immense, along with a low cost of living. Not just that, it's the second cleanest city in the country. It's the fastest growing city of India. And if you speak with any business owner here, half a chance that they will tell you they've been educated in chartered accountancy, which tells you that people here are not just wealthy, they're also educated professionals. And the number of SaaS startups which have come out from Surat over the past 4 years is just absolutely mind-boggling. Along with that, look at the humility of the people. Regardless of their wealth, if you go out in the market, you'll see all of them sitting on footpaths and enjoying street food. And the best thing, the culture here. People sleep off by 10 p.m. so the entire hustle culture of the metros can be avoided. More details in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.